Okay, children. So, motion kinematics. So, children, in the last class, we have discussed about the differences between distance and displacement. Distance and displacement. Today, in this class, I'm going to tell the differences between speed and velocity. In the last class, we have seen the differences between distance and displacement, along with some numericals we have seen, children. Now, today, we are going to discuss between difference between speed and velocity. Children, what is speed and what is velocity? In normal colloquial language, it is same, children, but according to the physics, they are different, children. Speed is distance traveled, distance in a given time. Do you remember the difference between distance and displacement, children? All of you? Distance is the original path. And what is displacement, children?
Shortest.
Shortest distance, short between initial and final point. And children, in the same way, velocity is displacement by time. Children, velocity is displacement by time. Distance is speed, speed is distance by time, velocity is displacement by time. There is a lot of difference here. Because distance is a scalar, speed is also scalar quantity. Because displacement is a vector, velocity is also vector quantity. I hope all of you remember, children, what is a vector quantity? It has both magnitude and direction. Okay. So, children, whether it is distance or displacement, units will remain same. Meters per second or kilometer per hour. Same units, children. Meter per second or kilometer per hour. Okay, children. So, when you are doing numericals, children, how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second when you are doing numericals? When you're doing numericals, how you will convert, children? Can anyone say? How do you convert kmph to meter per second?
into fi- into 5 by 18.
Into 5 by 18. Why you will do into 5 by 18 means 1 kilometer per hour, no, children. 1 kilometer is how many meters? Anyone? 1000 meters.
1000.
Thousand, sir.
1000 meters. And 1 hour is called how many seconds, children? 3600 seconds.
3600.
Okay, so this gone to 5 to 18 za. So 1 kmph is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. You want to convert anything kmph to meter per second into 5 by 18, you should do. Suppose I will give a person is traveling with 18 kmph. A person is traveling with 18 kmph. Convert into meter per second, I will say 18 into, no need to do into 1000 by 3600. Just do 5 by 18, children. 18, 18 cancel. He is moving with 5 meters per second. If anyone asks you convert a kmph to meter per second, just multiply with 5 by 18. He is traveling with 5 meters per second, children. That's all. Okay. He is traveling with 5 meters per second. That's all, children. And if anyone asks you convert meter per second to kmph, reverse. Do multiply 18 by 5. Okay, suppose I will say a person is traveling with 10 meters per second. I'll say a person is traveling with 10 meters per second. Okay, I will say convert to kmph. Convert to kmph. So convert to kmph means 10 into 18 by 5. 5 goes up. So 36 kmph. 36 kmph is nothing but 10 meters. Please mute your audio. Are you people gone crazy? Right? Instead they will put an instead they will talk. So children, so to convert meter per second to kmph, multiply with 18 by 5. Okay, kmph to meter per second, multiply with 5 by 18. Meter per second to kmph is multiplied with 18 by 5, and I have shown the derivation. Now children, in this some graphs also we have to discuss, children. Okay, some graphs, children. Some graphs we have to discuss. We see here, children. Okay, so some graphs. Graphs will be like this, children. Okay, so for drawing graph, you have to draw distance and time graph. If you draw distance and time graph, you'll get speed or velocity. Distance or time graph. Okay. So different types of graphs I will show. Please listen, children. If I keep anything like this in the distance time graph, what does it indicate? What is that?
Uniform speed.
Uniform speed, sir.
Body is at rest. Body is at rest. Children, time is going. See, children, time is going, but the body is at the same place. This is 1 kilometer. This is 2 kilometer. This is 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 5 kilometer. Time is same, children. Time is going on. Time is going on, but distance is same. Distance same means is not moving. So this indicates rest. Body is at rest. Suppose someone will draw like this. Children. This is distance. This is time. Someone will draw like this. What does it indicate? Can anyone say?
Sir, uniform speed.
Can anyone say what does it indicate?
Sir, uniform speed.
I'll see who is the intelligent in the class. Whoever says this, they are the best in the class. Whoever says this, they are the best.
Sir, rest. Rest.
This is rest.
Sir, uniform speed.
No. Anyone? This graph indicates what? Distance, time. I'm drawing parallel to y-axis. Parallel to x-axis is rest. Parallel to y-axis. Anyone? Anyone? Anyone, children? At least one student?
Motion. Motion.
Any one student in the class? I want to see who is the best.
Non-uniform motion.
No, 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 no. Don't say all the terms which you know, children. Anyway, no one is saying I don't know this time, children. This graph is not possible on the Earth. Why not possible? Means distance is changing, but time is same. How can time remain constant, children? Can anyway 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Second only will it be there time? Time is same, distance is changing. How is it possible? This is not possible on this app. I thought anyone will say no one is staying, means no one is concentrating most. So this graph is not possible, children. Okay, now someone tell me this graph, distance time. Children, body is covering equal, please mute your audios. Body is covering equal distances in equal time intervals. Equal distances, equal time intervals. Equal distances, equal time intervals. Equal distances, equal time.
Uniform motion. Uniform motion.
Uniform motion.
This is uniform motion. This is uniform motion. Uniform motion. Uniform speed. Okay, uniform speed. It's going uniform speed. Same distances in same intervals of time. 1 kilometer in 1 minute, 2 kilometers in 2 minutes, 3 kilometers in 3 minutes. This is called uniform speed. Suppose if I draw like this. This is called
Non-uniform motion.
Non-uniform speed.
non-uniform speed, means it is going in different time, distances in different time intervals will be not changing, but different distances it is covering in equal time intervals. Different. This is called non-uniform speed. So 1, 2, 3, 4 distance time graphs. This indicates rest. This is not possible. This is uniform speed. This is non-uniform speed. Okay, children. Suppose, children. What does this indicate? Can anyone say what does this indicate?
Sir, retardation.
Sir, deacceleration.
Retardation.
That is retardation word comes in speed and time, not in distance. Speed and time.
Sir,
Yes.
deacceleration, sir.
It is children distances decreasing and coming back. Okay, children distances is decreasing and coming back means children if a body is going up, then it will go like this, and coming back is equivalent like this. Coming back is equivalent like this, children, like this. So these are graphs, children. You should remember all these types of graphs. Also, you should remember. Okay. So along with that, we'll do some numericals, children. Basic numericals. I won't give much tough numericals. Basic numericals I will give, children. So this is basic speed and time. First question. Body goes 10 kilometers. Okay, children, before discussing this, I have to discuss what is average speed. Average speed and what is average velocity. What is average speed and average velocity? Children, average speed means total distance which he covered, in total time interval. How much distance it may be 10, 20, 30, all distances you should add total. And average velocity means what?
Total displacement by total time.
Total displacement by total time. That's it. Okay, now we will do a small numerical section, certain numericals, then you will understand. All of you see here, children. First one. First question. Body covers Body covers 5 kilometers in 10 seconds. Not 5 kilometers in, okay, not say like that. See, check. 50 kilometers in 1 hour and 100 kilometers in 2 hours. Like this. Okay, children. So, basic question, children. What is average speed or velocity? What
Sir,
is the
50.
average?
50 meters
kilometer
per
per hour.
sec.
Sir,
50.
50 kilometer per hour.
Total distance by total time. So what is total distance, children? 50 plus 100. Total is
100.
50. And what is the total time, children?
1 plus 2.
So 150 by 3, that is 50 kmph is the total average speed. This is easy sum, first sum, no? That's why I gave you this. Second sum, children. Body moves A to B 100 kilometers in 2 hours. Again comes back B to A 100 kilometers in 1. Question is find average speed and average velocity. This is the question. Children, it is going A to B like this. You should understand, children. 100 kilometers it is going in 2 hours. And while coming B to A, children, okay, it is covering same 100 kilometers in 1 hour. What is average speed, anyone?
Sir, 200 by 3, sir.
200 by 3.
200 by 3.
Total distance by 200. So distance is how much? 100 plus 100 by 2 plus 1. 200 by 3. So 66.67 kmph. What is average velocity?
0, sir.
Total
0, sir.
displacement by total time.
0.
Why it's 0?
Sir, cause there is no like final and initial position.
It is going from A to B and coming back to A. The distance between final and initial is same. So the total displacement is 0. Of course, time is 0. 0 by 3 is 0. Actually, like this, you should do. You should understand. It is going A to B and B to A. So total displacement is 0. Time is there 3, huh? But 0 by anything is 0. This is another sum. Like this only, one more variety will show. Like this, in this sum only, one more variety. Division. Body travels, see here, children. While going A to B at 20 meters per second and B to A 10 meters per second. Find average speed and average velocity. Like this the question.
Sir, average speed 15 meter per second.
Average speed, children, please see here. Children, see here, is going A to B, children. While going is 20 meters per second. Distance is some d. While coming is coming at 10 meters per second. Distance won't change. Now average speed. What is the average speed formula, children?
The total distance by total time.
Distance by total.
Total distance by total time. What is total distance, anyone?
Sir, 30 meter.
D plus
30.
D. Alright, check. D plus D. Total distance while going D, while coming D. D plus D. What is total time? T1 plus T2. We don't know. D plus D is how much, children? 2D.
2D.
What is times formula? What is time? What is time formula? Distance is equal to speed by time. So time is equal to
Speed by distance.
Distance into speed.
speed is equal to distance by time, children. So time is equal to
Time is equal to
Distance
distance
by
into
speed.
speed.
time is equal
Distance
to
by
Distance by speed.
time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. While going d by 20 and while coming d by 10. So 2d, children. 20 and 10 LCM is how much, children? 20.
20.
20 ones are 1 into d, 1d. 10 twos are 2 into d, 2d. This will go up, children. So how much, children? 2d into 20 by 3d. D cancel. 40 by 3, that is uh, 30.33 meter per second is average speed. Can anyone say average velocity?
0.
Average velocity, total displacement, it is coming back to original position. When it is coming back to original position, going and coming back clearly, 0 by d by 20, d by 10, d by 20, d by 10, but 0 by anything is 0, so answer is 0. Children, like this you should do. See, children, how I am doing. Be careful while going D, while coming D, but while going D by 20, while coming D by 10. See, children, like these questions, you should be very, very careful. If any mistake has, you do, children, gone, children. One more sum like this. Body travels in a circle of radius 7 meters. What is distance and displacement? Okay, after 3.5 revolutions and 4 revolutions. First, let us do for 3.5 revolutions. For 3.5 revolutions, children, body is going like this: 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and here you will come. So for 3.5 revolutions, what will be the distance? Anyone? 3 to the 6, 7. 7 by 2 into 2 pi r. 7 by 2 into 2 pi r. So 2 cancel. 7 into 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 7. 7 cancel. 154 meters is the distance. Can anyone say what is displacement? From here to here, A to B. What is distance? 7 plus 7. How much, children?
Sir, 14.
14.
14 meters. Now, for 4 revolutions. For 4 revolutions, what is the distance, anyone?
4 into 2 pi r.
4 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 cancel. Into 6, 176 meters. What is the displacement?
0, sir.
Zero, because after 4 revolutions it will come here only. So displacement is 0. Like this we should do, children. Okay. Now same question. Find speed and velocity. Find speed and velocity after 2.5 revolutions and 3 revolutions. Speed and velocity after 2.5 and 3 revolutions. If for one rotation it is taking 5 seconds. 5 seconds. That's it. 5 seconds. So, first, children, 2.5 revolutions. 2.5 revolutions is 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5, children. 5 by 2 into 2 pi r is the distance, children. 5 by 2 into 2 pi r. Can anyone tell me, children? 5 by 2 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 cancel this. 110 meters. In 2.5 revolution, it will cover 110 meters. 110 meters. So, what is the speed, children? Can anyone say what is the speed formula?
Sir, 110 by 12.5.
Speed is equal to
Distance by
by
time.
time. So 110 by 5, that is 22 meter per second for 2.5 revolutions. Can anyone say for 2.5 revolutions, what is the displacement? Velocity.
Sir, 14 into 2.
Hey,
Displacement.
14. So 2.5 means 1, 2.5 means from here to here. Displacement is 14 only, children, because from here to here only we'll calculate. But time is how much? Who said 5? Who said 5? Wrong.
Sir, I was saying 12.5, sir.
12.5.
12.5.
10, 12.5. Someone said wrong, 12.5. So 11 by 12.5 is how much, children? 11 by 12.5. So 110 by 5, and yeah, yes, 12.5. How much, children? 110 by 12.5 means 10 will come. Can anyone tell me, children? 11 into 125, how much? Here also 14 by 12.5. Can anyone help me? 1100 by 125 is how much? 14 by 12.5 is how much? Yes, anyone?
8.8, sir.
8.8, sir.
This is
1100 by 125 is equal to 8.8.
This one.
1.12.
Sir, 1.12.
1.12 meter per second. 1.12 meter per second. Very good. Thank you so much, children. Now, children, now for 3 revolutions we do, children. For 3 revolutions. For 3 revolutions, what will be the distance?
So 3 into 2,
3.
2 into 22 by 7 into 7.
Yes, no one is telling except Vivek. I don't know why. 132 meters. So, what is distance, children? Speed formula.
Sir, distance by time.
Distance by
Distance
time.
by time, sir.
What is distance?
Sir, 132.
132 by
15.
5, 5, 5.
15, sir.
15.
5,
15.
15.
15, sir.
132 by 15, that is how much, Nana? 15 8s are 120 and 15 8.8 meter per second. Now, who will tell the velocity?
Sir, 0.
Displacement by
Sir,
time.
0,
0.
sir.
0,
Sir,
sir.
0, sir. Displacement by
0,
time
sir.
is 0. 0 by anything is 0.
0. Very good. Like these questions will come on speed and time, exclusively speed and velocity sums I told children. In the description, as soon as possible, I will add some more numericals, try to do that numericals, but you have to learn all these things, children. Okay, this is about speed and time, and tomorrow we'll discuss what is acceleration and retardation and respective graphs. Okay, so today I did distance and displacement graphs. Now, speed and time graphs I didn't do now, children, today. Children,
No,
speed
sir.
and okay, speed and time graph tomorrow I will see after acceleration. Thank you, children.